Meet the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus, the top model in the Spark 40 series. This device stands out completely and I think it's going to be the benchmark in the budget segment. So buckle up, let's check out why this budget-friendly beast might just be your next favorite smartphone or our new budget king. Now, depending on which side of the world you reside in, you may have heard about the all-new Tecno Spark 40 because it has been grabbing a lot of attention lately. And the Spark 40 Pro Plus right here has been the main reason. This one right here packs a punch. Now, pay attention. You get a smooth 144Hz AMOLED display. It gets really bright with up to 4500 nits of peak brightness. You get 30-watt wireless charging support. You can also use it to wirelessly charge other devices, and you can use it to make free phone calls without a SIM card or internet connection. All of this on a budget phone. Now, how much does it cost? Only 273,000 naira, or about $170. Now, before I get too excited, because it's quite intriguing, let's see what comes in the box of this smartphone. In the box, the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus comes with all the necessary accessories as you would expect from most Tecno devices. The most important of them all being the 45-watt charger and this wireless charging case that looks really nice. I would say you're really getting pure value if you ask me. You also get a SIM card removal tool, a USB Type-C charging cable, a screen protector, a screen cleaning kit, a warranty card, and some other irrelevant stickers. Now, when you pick this device up, the first thing that is going to strike you is going to be how thin, how slim it is. Yeah, like really thin. It is so thin and lightweight, and most times I barely even remember I have something in my pocket. It measures about 6.49 millimeters thin. The Spark 40 Pro Plus comes with a sleek design that feels way more premium than you would expect at this price point. It's giving flagship vibe without the flagship price tag. I love the curved design that really makes it stand out. The design has a metallic look and feel even though it is made out of plastic. I really like the attention to every details right here, especially on the lens module. It doesn't feel like a budget phone in any way. It feels compact and well put together. It is also rated IP64 dust and water resistance, and it has a drop resistance of 1.5 meters. So you don't have to worry about any accidental drop. If you don't like the moon titanium color that I have here, the Spark 40 Pro Plus comes with other interesting colors that you can choose from, ranging from Nebula Black, Aurora White, and Tundra Green. What is actually Tundra Green? As usual on most Tecno devices, the power button and the volume rocker keys are on the right side of the device. At the bottom is where you will find a dual nano SIM card tray. Sadly, no micro SD card this time. We have a microphone, a USB Type-C charging port, and a speaker grill. Then on top of the device, we have another microphone and a speaker. Can you see that the headphone jack is gone? Well, that's where this button comes in. You can simply just pair it with your Tecno Spark 40 Pro and enjoy high fidelity music on the go. Additionally, there are other accessories that you can buy and connect with your shiny Spark 40 Pro. Example is this Tecno watch right here that works amazingly well with this device. Just try it out. Now, when you turn to the rear of the device, we have a dual camera setup. The main camera is a 50 megapixels sensor accompanied by an auxiliary lens. I don't know what that does, but it's there. The third option here is an IR blaster that you can use to control your home electronics, and it works amazingly well. I've actually tried it. Okay, let's talk about this shiny bright display, because that on its own is super amazing. The Spark 40 Pro Plus comes with a 6.78 inches 1.5K AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate. It also has a 2160Hz instant touch sampling rate, which means that everything that you touch or scroll on this screen or display is going to be super smooth and fast. It's a curved display with up to 4500 nits of peak brightness. What that means is that even under direct sunlight, your device will still be super bright and sharp. However, its default high brightness mode is 1600 nits for consistent bright visuals in everyday use, but it can go up to 4500 nits, mostly in harsh lighting conditions or direct sunlight. So even while you're under the sun, you have nothing to worry about. No more squinting on your screen when you're outside, which is impressive. So far, this is the best I have seen on a budget phone. Okay, before we touch other areas of this smartphone, let's quickly talk about the cameras on the back of this smartphone, because that's one of its standard features. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus comes with a 50 megapixels main camera that allows you to capture good photos as long as the lighting situations are good. We also have a 13 megapixel selfie camera. I've had this phone for well over 2 weeks and I have to say that I am impressed with the picture quality. It takes clear and detailed photos during the day. I noticed that in a good lighting condition, the camera delivers an excellent result. The photos are clear and full of details. Just take a look at these pictures. It shows clear details on the skin and dynamic range is also great. It is crazy how one can achieve this level of quality without breaking the bank. Like, it's impressive. For portrait images, you can see how well it separates the subject from the background, the dynamic range, ability to control the exposure, and the overall image quality. Not that I'm blown away, but having this level of quality at this price point is exciting. What do you think? Just take a look at the images and share your thoughts with me down in the comment section. When it comes to video, you can record up to 2K without video stabilization or 1080p with video stabilization. It is crazy that you can get this kind of feature on an entry-level phone. Well, let's digress. Hey guys, so this is the front view. So this is the front-facing camera on the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus. Currently shooting in 2K. 30 frames per second, and as you can see here, it is sharp, like really sharp. For a phone in this price point, I really don't have much to complain. It's okay. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below. Sure. Okay, let's talk about specs and performance. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus comes with a MediaTek Helio G200 octa-core processor. It's a 6nm processor that is capable of handling most things that you throw at it. With the Helio G200, you get about 10% overall performance boost over the Helio G100, which might not seem like a lot, but considering the fact that this is a budget phone, that is impressive. It is paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. It offers decent improvement when compared to its predecessor. If you compare this to what the competition is offering at the same price, this is better. From my experience, this device is fast. Multitasking, opening apps, and browsing the web is super impressive. With up to 144Hz refresh rate, everything just feels buttery smooth. However, there's a catch. Some apps are not fully optimized to take advantage of this 1.5K display at 144Hz. As you can see here, under display settings, only a handful of apps can be set to 144Hz. Most apps will default to 120, 90 and 60 Hz respectively. Just keep that in mind. The benchmark scores are not so impressive as you can see here, but with much improvement on the software, everything feels really snappy. When it comes to general performance and gaming, I played Call of Duty Mobile on medium graphics settings and high frame rate, and the gameplay was smooth. Another thing that made the gameplay so enjoyable are the speakers. Yeah, the dual speakers that come to this device are really impressive. They sounded so loud and clean. I'm really so impressed with what it delivers. Okay, let's quickly move on to software. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus comes with Tecno HiOS 15.1.1 on top of Android 15. HiOS 15.1 brings a lot of UI enhancement, and you can definitely tell Tecno has put a lot of effort into refining the user experience. Additionally, Tecno is also calling this device an AI powerhouse. And boy, this phone has a lot of AI features. So on a budget, you can do a lot of AI stuff that is found on flagship devices. There are a lot of AI features that will transform the way you use a smartphone. You can perform circle to search, which is a quick way that you can easily search for something without having to leave your current home screen. There's an AI eraser. This helps you to remove unwanted objects on an image, and it is fast on this device. There's an AI-powered image extension that can expand any image to fit a certain aspect ratio. There's an AI call assistant that can help you manage your phone calls, both by automatically answering your calls and also giving a summary of they call in plain text. There's AI call translation that helps you translate calls from other languages to a language that you understand in real time. There's an AI writing assistant that can help you revise, correct spellings, and generate summaries on any web page. There's Ella Smart Touch, Ella voice assistant that is powered by DeepSeek R1, and a lot of other AI features. Guys, all of these amazing features on a low budget, on an entry-level smartphone. This alone has given this device an edge over anything else out there. Yes, you heard me. Okay, let's talk about battery life because that's another striking feature on this smartphone. It comes with a 5000 mAh that delivers an all-day performance. And the best part, just about 44 minutes of you charging this device can last you the entire day thanks to a super fast 45-watt charger that it comes with. Now, speaking of charging, this is one of the few budget phones out there or in the market today with wireless charging support. And guess what? It also supports reverse wireless charging. So you can literally just use your Spark 40 Pro Plus to wirelessly charge other devices that support wireless charging. Isn't that cool? And in addition to that, it also supports bypass charge. Let's say your device is plugged into charge while gaming. Now, instead of charging the battery, it will bypass and power the device directly. That way, it extends the longevity of the battery and the phone won't get too hot while gaming or carrying out other intensive tasks like video editing. Now, point to me any budget phone that can do all of this at this same price. The Spark 40 Pro Plus right here comes bundled with an intelligent AI charging system that learns your charging habits and adjusts to ensure higher life cycle durability. Do you know how long it takes this device to completely charge from 0 to 100%? Well, just 1 hour and 15 minutes, which is super impressive. Or what do you think? Now, to wrap things up, in a world where most brands cut corners on budget phones, the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus shows up with flagship features at a pocket-friendly price. It's like Tecno took a bunch of premium features, added a lot of AI magic, wrapped it up in a sleek body and said, yeah, take this. I'm giving this away for just 270,000 naira or about $170. If you ask me, that is pure value. That's an exceptional value that you can hardly find elsewhere. So if you're looking for a phone that is stylish, powerful, and packed with cool features without breaking the bank, this may be the time to spark things up and make this your new favorite pocket companion. Or what do you think? A new budget king? Let's talk about this in the comment section below. That's my review of the all-new Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus. Kindly share your thoughts with me down in the comment section below and I'll be right there to read your comments. Thank you.